Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here, welcome to our channel. Today I show you in this video here possible for a YouTube video about wall paint with the frame. Take your walls to next level with this easy and elegant dye project in this video. I will show you how to transfer your plain walls into stunning work of art using the wall paints and frame. Learn how to choosing the perfect paint color and the frame style to match your decor, and mark your wall of the precious to from frame installations to paint your wall with the professional look finish. Assemble and hang your frame to create a beautiful focal point, whether you are dye beginner on a seasoned pro. This tutorial touch of the home decor, so grab the paint brush and the frame and let's see get started. Remember, include relevant keywords such as wall paint, frame dye, home decor and interior design to help people find your video. And good luck with your YouTube video. Don't forget this, like my channel, subscribe my video, hit the bell icon for more videos update. Because of daily basis upload on this channel for home decoration ideas videos and your home relevant all topics too is here. So thanks for watching. This video is the perfect for the anyone looking and the touch of the your home decorations to so grab to your paint your wall in frames to luxury look and gorgeous look to very beautiful. So get start this video.